Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had to reset my video. Apparently, I pressed the wrong button on this stupid TV. So, where was I? Oh, yeah. Um, the only thing I remembered is I returned that $5 vacuum to Smash Face 1 just to smash it up. Great quality, but it's easy to burn out. So, yeah. Sorry about the lighting at the front of the TV because I was just filming on my spot, so yeah. Turn that off, don't need it. Anyway, let's put on Smash Bros. 1. There we go. Let's reset it for you guys. Sorry about that first video.
Priceless treasure, Lux Royal by Electrolux, made in Australia. This thing must be worth so much money, but oh, what's that? Nobody wanted to pay $5 for it at the garage sale. But these collectors rave on about how this stuff is just such a.
But now, when he said $5 for a garage sale, I actually got it for the garage sale, and I threw it to Smash Face 1. You could tell I could throw it because there's a hole on it. It's useless, and it's a piece of junk. Doesn't want to work anymore. So, yeah, that's why I threw it to him, because he's my good mate. He's my good mate to smash it all. So, yeah, let's continue.
Priceless treasure, and you could sell it for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but nobody wanted to pay $5 for a garage sale.
Excuse me.
Because I get it for free. Let's see if the Lux is really deluxe. Oh, and it comes with all the original accessories. Man, how come those vacuum collectors didn't whip this up immediately? Nothing stopped them from getting it first. God, it absolutely reeks. Disgusting. Let's do the durability test. What happened? What made that noise? But it's a Lux.
Now, what he was saying about this vacuum, he paid $5 to get the vacuum cleaner. Well, I paid $5 to get a vacuum cleaner. And look, when he said he got it for free, he means I chucked the vacuum towards him so he can actually smash it. So, yeah, it's a pretty good video. I was there anyway. I nearly hit the Sony camera anyway. That's why I was shaky.
Why is this power brush head not good enough? Going.
Now, you can see what's happening. Um, when he used the sledgehammer to smash that vacuum cleaner, um, he accidentally jammed the motor, but um, I asked him to do that anyway because it's a piece of junk. It won't suck my old carpet at my old house anyway. It doesn't work, so I just throw it to him and let it smash it up and burn it out.
Why is it buzzing?
There you go, guys. Robot out. Now, what I say about the sledgehammer, it's pretty stupid, so yeah, worthless. So that's why I vote to Smash Face 1 to let him jam the murder. The reason I did that on purpose because I bought it for the garage sale and they gave me extra $5 because someone there put frickin' 20 there instead of the 5. What a piece of junk.
Vacuum cleaner has to malfunction. Can you keep going? I think it's had enough. Doesn't want to keep going. Collect the salvaging a tiny bit. Why's the motor all rusty? I thought these vintage things were so much better. It says it's royal.
Now, the reason why it's busted is because I was very silly with the vacuum cleaner and they got water on it and the motor decided to get pretty much damaged because the water went into it from other stuff that I spilled. And I was stupid because I put milk on it and then let it go rusted, so that's probably what happened to it. Anyway, let's continue.
Stuff doesn't rust. No, don't turn that away. Man, one of the collectors might pick this up. This hose.
Stupid TV's frozen up.
What else? Oh, still need to be
Great
smashed
quality. Stupid brand TV. Unbrand TV.
up. That's so much.
Had a man with it. Oh, stupid internet. Oh, doesn't want to keep going. It just freeze up. Oh, piece of junk. Ah, stupid fancy TV that I bought last year. Like, glad this one didn't start. It's just this one. It's just been stupid and worthless. This is why I don't use that much TV. Come on! My video's taking too long. Ugh, whatever. At least you know what happened to my vacuum anyway. It's got burned out from Smash Bros. 1 and I was there. So, yeah. Anyway, see you guys on the next video.